Hey there, NEC Warrior. How you doing? Hope you can see my screen fine. Today, I'm going to take you into virtual reality. Here we go. So this is pretty exciting. I made this today. So let's see. Just letting it load right now. Oh, we're there. Okay, hold on. All right, here we go. We're in VR world. How's that? Welcome to the show. How's this? This is pretty cool, huh? So I thought today we would do some Pictionary. I'm gonna have to figure out how this whole thing's gonna work, but yeah, this was a little fun to set up. I'll put a little face here on the person a little bit later. Um, but we're gonna do some Pictionary. We're gonna talk about the top 5 diets in 2023, and of course a little bit about my journey and how that's going. So let's just jump into Pictionary. So this is going to be a little bit different here. As you can see, I got my little pointer, and then I can just draw out here in virtual reality. So isn't that cool? I don't know if you can see that as well as I can, but being immersed in it is pretty cool. So let's get the black in here. And what we're going to do is, I'm not sure, I have my time right here. It says 11:08, so I apologize that it's so late, but I did want to try a little something different here, something I've been playing with. So I'm going to look at this clock here, 1:08, and once it turns, oh, there we go. So I'm going to give myself 2 minutes because it's a little bit harder to draw here. I'm still trying to get used to drawing here. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So the first one I'm going to do here, are you ready? All right, here we go. Just type in the comments what you think this is. And of course, this is, oh, of course, let me rewind that, reverse that. Let me go to a different color that's a little bit going to stand out here. All right, this is going to stand out. Okay. All right, here we go, right? In virtual reality, can you tell me what this is? And technically, I could go like that, and let's spin this whole thing around. Well, I can't, right? Let me see if I can duck around here. Can you see that other side? I'm getting close to a wall, so I'm close to the computer so I can talk. But what do we got here? 10? Let's see. I should probably draw another one. Wow, that's not good. And we'll put a little right. I think that's the way it looks in. Just for reference, maybe. All right. Can you tell what this is? This is separate. If I could draw a line here, like these two things are two different things. This is to help you with that. All right. I think I did pretty good actually for 1 minute. All right. So if you could tell me what this is, I'm going to do this on that blackboard over there a little bit. That might help me a little bit in the next one. So if you can tell me what this is, I'm not going to let you know. Just put it in the comments and we can have some fun with that. Let me reverse. Oh, wow, I didn't know it went that far. Okay, so we're going to bring this towards us. We're going to get closer. Um, yeah, this way now when I draw it, you'll be able to see. And look at, there's the sun. I put the sun up there. And we'll wave to the guy. Hey, how's it going? Okay, ready? And this is a thing. I should have said it was a thing before. I'm making this up. I didn't have time to go to Pictionary today. Let me make that a little bit smaller. Okay, you ready? So here we go. And what time do we got? We'll start right now, and we'll still give myself 1 minute, okay? Here we go. All right. See if you can get this one. All right. Uh, come on. I don't know. this is definitely not realistic. I'll just say that. Um, and maybe this one here, right? And it's this whole thing. All right, what's this whole thing? This is so fun to do in virtual reality, I can tell you that. This is like next level. Um, because now I can like literally take this thing. So this is it. Yeah, I think that's a good. I'm not gonna get any better than that. Uh, there maybe is another ring much closer. I probably can't even say that right. I'm not allowed to say ring. So looks like probably a lot of marshmallow. But if you can tell me what this is, then please let me know and put that in the comments. And that's our Pictionary for today. So let me remove that. All right. Oh, our dude, where'd you go? All right. So now let's back up a bit here, and let me get this here yellow. Yeah, let me do this. I want you bigger. Oops, wrong one. I want you bigger. There we go. All right. See if I can. There we go. I'm gonna grab. Here's my pencil. Right. Okay. Oh no, the show went away. Oh no. Can I? Oh wait. Can I go backwards? It's probably because I'm holding that. No. Okay. I'll have to put that back in later. Oh well, okay. So just a little fun here. I don't know actually why do I need a pencil. I really don't. It's just fun to hold. So yeah, so that's Pictionary in virtual world. We can keep doing that. Let's talk about 2023 top five diets of 2023. To be honest, I've never heard most of them. Here, let me just put that on top of the there. So I haven't heard of these, and to be honest, I'm not. I'm gonna have to do some research for you. But oh no, that's the wrong one. I have hidden behind here. I haven't figured out how to. Let me. Where are I? There it is. All right. So from USA Today, these are the top 5 diets for 2000. This is why I need. Whoa! I just took off the top of my. There we go. These are the top 5 diets for 2023 according to the U.S. News and World Report. So USA Today. This is where I got this article. I saw this today. And so, does anybody know or can guess what the top one is at least? I didn't even know most of these, to be honest. So it was just interesting to see how many diets I did. I expected like a different list here, but here they are, the top 5. So you got the Mediterranean. Let me grab my pencil here. There we go. All right, that actually looks kind of weird. So we got the Mediterranean diet here at number 1. I guess it's been a top contender for quite some time, to be honest. And then we have the Dash diet and Flexitarian diet, and that's a tie. So I've never heard of these. Maybe you have. If you know anything about them, please write about them in the comments. I'm going to do my research on them anyways. And then there's the Mind diet. Now, the Mind diet, I believe, is a cross between the Mediterranean and the Dash. I kind of quickly looked at it because there was a link here, so I could just click and go, and I just kind of briefly looked at it. And then I jumped on here to make all this fun stuff and try it out. And then the TLC diet. So these are the top 5: Mediterranean, Dash, Flexitarian, Mind, and TLC. Do you want to hold that? There, now he's holding it. Can I grab that? Yeah, there we go. It's like he's going to throw it. Hey, watch out. Hey, hey. So yeah, there you go. So top 5 in 2023. So what do you think? Do you like the virtual reality? I think I can do a lot more fun with it than hopefully you can see it very well on the screen. And I'll work on the audio as I try to figure out how to set this up a little bit better. But I think I'm going to keep growing this. So this is going to be like we'll just maybe add like a face to this person at some point, right? Make him smile. Give him some crazy hair. He's turning Super Saiyan or something like that. Actually, now he's let me talk real quick. Actually, it's probably pretty good because it is super late. So let's talk about my diet so far today. So today was, what is today? Wednesday. So it's the second day of phase two. I've been working on, what do you call it? I've been working on the beans and really trying to figure those out. A lot of them you have to pre-soak, so that's a new thing for me. So I worked with a new bean today, Mayokaba or something like that, and I guess it's refried beans. Had no idea. I saw the name on the package and I was like, I gotta get that. I gotta get that. So that's what I ended up doing. And besides that, what I also ran into is I ate all the prunes. So I'm hoping that's going to work. I think it is going to. And then typically I only like to, is the floor right here? I'm actually sitting on I'm like in the floor. We can go underneath. So typically I only weigh myself once a week. I'm concerned because the first phase I lost too much weight too quickly. So what I wanted to do was actually um, start measuring myself every other day just to track where I'm going. Because as soon as I hit 5 pounds again, I'm going to switch to phase three. And I don't want to keep losing weight that quickly. Um, I just I, I just don't feel comfortable with it, and so that's my plan to go forward. What's the other thing I'm working on? Yeah, so that's that. I'll be picking up some of my exercise too, as well, in the future, near future. Where I'm losing weight, I want to keep it at bay right now. I don't want to burn any more calories. But the problem I'm having is this thing here, right? Fats and carbs. Those two things are actually really hurting me because the fats and carbs are, getting stored. I'm not eating as many calories as I normally do, so I'm afraid my metabolism is going to catch up with me, and it's going to store all those fats and carbs that I'm eating instead of a lot of things that are rich in proteins. And proteins are key right now, and I'm only getting it through vegetables and what do you call it? Vegetables and legumes. So I guess, and I know vegetarians do very well in this area, but I want to start packing on. I'm not. I'm not burning calories through exercise right now. I'm just focused on the diet. I think because I'm trying to simulate what I want you to do, um, or what I suggest that you would do on your journey, is first focus on nutrition. Don't worry about exercising right now because, yeah, there's two things. So there's three things, right? Exercise. I don't know. I hope I don't cut out, but we have exercise. We have sleep, which is something you can work on, right? You got sleep. That's supposed to be an L. You got exercise. Make that an R. You also have hydrate. Oh, that's another thing. Hydration. Hydration is really huge. And today I was way off. So you got hydrate. Maybe I should just do H2O. H2O. And then we have, so we got 1, 2, 3. We've got air quality. We don't have to worry about air, most of us. Sorry about the heater going on. Oh, I should probably make sure I'm talking to you, not talking away. So we've got air, H2O, exercise, sleep. What's the other one that we have? Air. That's 2, 4. There's 2 more. Oh, mental. Mental. That's big right now. This is a big one. Mental right now. Because we're probably bumping up a lot against a lot of things that we're not used to. So this is like key right now. You should be focused on these two, actually this one, sleep, H2O, and air. You should do that, and there's one more. What am I missing? Exercise, motion, sleep, hydration, air. What's the other one? Hold on, let me go through them. Air, sleep. I did sleep. Air, hydration, motion. Oh, nutrition. Of course, nutrition. Nutrition is big. Yeah. So these ones you should be focused on, actually most of them, but if I had to pick like the top ones, I would say nutrition for sure. Get that. Like this is going to be tied, everything's tied to mental. Everything's tied to mental. So I would start with nutrition. Sleep, I mean for myself, sleep is a hard one, but definitely H2O, and we don't have to really worry about that one. Typically we don't have to. So that's what you should be looking at. So exercise in here, sleep, nutrition, mental, H2O. I should fix my twos, right? Maybe do twos like that. I have to figure out how to erase in this thing. And then air. Yeah, I'll be on live again. Maybe I'll have a little updates to our little worlds here and keep building. If there's something you'd like me to add to the world, or if you're in MetaQuest and you already have Gravity Sketch, this is what I'm using, Gravity Sketch. Thanks from Creatress. She suggested this app, and so if you have something you have built and you'd like me to put it in the world, as long as it's good for all public viewing, then let me know. And let's go visit the sun and take a look at our world from down below, right? This is so fun. This is the only time you can really get to the sun, right? All right. Have a good one, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow.